All right, here we have room 18003 on the MSC Meraviglia.
I really think that this makes it bigger without the little partition.
Yeah, it doesn't have the partition. It doesn't have the sectioned off room.
But it makes it look bigger. Look how bad
it is a very nice room. Look at this. Wait. Echo, 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 echo. And here we have the bed where the magic happens. Ooh. And then we have the living room.
Where are the USB ports over here? Do you not have any?
I don't know. And then we have the desks.
Babe,
and there's me.
Babe, there is none by the bed.
That's why we have an extension cord. And then we have the phone. And the complimentary water. Aquafina's big brother.
Iceland water too.
Aquafina's Italian cousin. And then we have the glasses and the espresso machine. I'll try and figure that out later.
Okay, so this is our closet. We have two.
We have a closet.
This is kind of cool.
All I see is a door. All I see is a door. It's a door. Oh, that closet. Oh.
No, but that's one.
Oh.
And then, I think, yeah.
So
this
we
one
have
has the safe in it. And
the shelves.
And a safe.
And a safe. And then we have the closet.
Is there another closet? Because this don't look like it would be big enough for all of our stuff.
I don't know. We'll have to see.
Okay, let's check out the bathroom. Let's see the bathroom.
Bathroom. Gotta go bathroom.
Ooh.
I got the wiki.
Ooh. Well, kind of tiny.
Is it?
Yeah.
But is it though? Is it really tiny?
Well, it's tiny, but the shower doesn't have the seat.
No seat in the shower?
No seat in the shower.
Oh, that's it. We gotta get off this shit.
It's long.
Yes, it is long. Okay.
Look, it's got your butt thing too.
Ooh.
It's got the butt one, and then the range.
The one where I rinse off my bits.
And it's got a little shelf here.
And the
Last
shelf.
time it didn't have the shelfie thing like that. I don't think.
Okay.
I don't remember.
Nice.
There's a stick on it.
And here, that's what a sink look like. You gotta wave again. Who them people over there? Why they in our room? See? Got to share a room with them people.
Double shower.
That dude in the red pants and the red shorts look like he stank.
No, he probably do. He probably do. He probably must.
Musty. Ew.
That's some very tiny towels.
And then here's the stuff they give you for free if you don't bring your own stuff. There's the toilet.
Don't step back. Go out. Are you going out first?
Going out? Okay, I'll go out. Let me come out here.
I'm disappointed they got rid of the seat.
I like that seat.
I liked it when putting my foot up to shave my legs.
And there we go to the balcony and go out the balcony. This is actually a pretty nice balcony door. Ooh, they got a lock. They got a lock on the door. Is that a lock? It is a lock. How you get up? Oh. Man, be smarter than the equipment. This, I'm not sure how I feel about this. It's longer than we normally have, but shorter. I don't know. It's a nice balcony, but it's longer, but shorter. Although I'm gonna still get my lean on anyway. Here is the beautiful Miami. I know y'all seen this many, many times before. It's Sunday, so it's not as much traffic. And they're all going to the city, and they're coming back. And then it's good pan and scan and pan and scan and pan and scan and scan and pan to the city. Where'd that city come from? Somebody put a city there. Rich people yachts. Alright, this is the balcony. This is a view outside the balcony. We normally won't be filming out there. If you filming out from over here, something wrong. Something has gone seriously awry. And then we pan back over this way to the captain's area. Secret squirrel stuff. And then we go back inside. Let's go check out inside again. I'm gonna do the slow pan like they do in the videos. Watch. Okay, so there we got this side and slow pan. That is a very big mirror, so I can see all my bigness of my stomach. And this way. Ooh, what they give us? They gave us fruit.
A butler's name.
They gave us fruit. Oh, we gonna have to handle this. They need to give us like some chocolate or something, man. I don't want no fruit. Who's trying to be healthy around here? It's a cruise. And then we have some kind of champagne stuff. We have some kind of champagne thing. Toledana. Maybe some of y'all in the comments can let me know if it's supposed to be good or not. I have no idea. I'm gonna drink it anyway, but I have no idea.
This is a present.
Ooh, we got a present? Who gave us a present?
I don't know. It's not.
Who gave us a present? Like people knew we was even gonna be here. Did somebody give me a present from off of this video? Hold on, let me see. They'll be like, you owe this.
Babe, it says we have to confirm our online booking for Cirque du Soleil.
Chef's table. It says we are invited to the chef's table.
Wow.
The original presentation by Chef So.
Okay.
Oh, I am mistaken. Wait, is it an invitation to the chef's table or not?
It says chef table on it.
No, but then it says leading seminar. I think this is an offer to go to the chef's table.
It's an offer. Exclusive.
And I thought they invited us to the chef's table. Well, I was like, yo.
But look, look, you have to be able to eat 7 courses, but they do got duck.
They got duck?
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, I get to eat Daffy.
Death by chocolate.
Death by chocolate? Shit.
Okay, so that's it. I probably need to pee.
Ooh, and of course, we have the mini bar. We got another present?
This one actually has our names on it.
Oh, okay. Here's the mini bar.
Pringles, there's no nuts.
We can actually eat the stuff out of it. If you get the yacht club, you can go ahead and go to town on the mini bar without that little charge after you.
There's no Pringles and there's no nuts, so I'm kind of disappointed.
They got shivers. Give me some shivers. Granny be like, give me some shivers. You got some shivers? Give me some shivers. Bud Light, blah. Bud, blah. Corona, ill.
Okay.
Heineken, ill. Oh, we got to fix this. They got some booty beer in here. This is nasty.
This is complimentary.
Yeah, I saw that. I don't know. I was like, okay.
And this is complimentary, even though that fruit looked kind of suspect.
Would you rather have chocolate?
Yes, I would.
Do it. You like, where the chocolate at?
The fruit looked.
What is that? Where's the invitation? What was it?
It just says that the Prosecco
Dear
is
guests.
in the basket of fruit.
So we got a Prosecco, sparkling wine, a fruit basket.
So right now, whoever this is our butler. Look.
That's the dude that's on call?
But they MIA right now, so
he's probably helping other people on the thing.
I'm hoping.
Your butler service is on call to meet your needs. Around the clock. From room service to reservations. Ooh, we gotta call the family. We gotta call the family before we leave, so they ain't think somebody kidnapped us. And they be like, where mommy and daddy at? So to the next video,